Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your routing number on TD Bank app. Start by opening the TD Bank app on your phone or go to the TD Bank website using your browser. Once the app or website is open, sign in using your username and password. After you are signed in, you will see your list of accounts on the screen. Take a moment to find and select the specific account for which you want to find the routing number. Tap on that account to open its details. Once the account page is open, look for the section called the Summary tab. This is usually where basic information about your account is shown. Scroll if needed until you find an option labeled Direct Deposit Info. When you see it, tap on the View button right next to it. Now the Direct Deposit Information screen will open. Here, you will see a few important numbers. First, you will see the transit number, which is also called the branch number. This is a 5-digit number. Next, you will see the institution number. For TD Canada Trust, this number is always 004. Then you will see your account number, which is usually a 7-digit number. To form your routing number, use this format. Start with a 0, then add the institution number, and then add the transit number. So it becomes 0 plus 004 plus your 5-digit transit number. You can now use this routing number for payments or direct deposits. Thanks for watching.